And this is one of the most important things about study permit applications, is to always remember Hey everyone, it's Cassandra Fultz from Doherty Fultz Immigration Consulting in Toronto, Ontario. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit today about temporary status refusals. There's a lot of refusals coming down the pipeline that we're seeing. People are coming to us with questions, so we thought we'd go ahead and address it with a video. So most refusals for either a study permit or a visitor visa, they're usually on a couple of grounds based in the IRPR, which is the Immigration and Refugee Protection Regulations, part of the law that governs Canadian immigration. So usually when there's a refusal, it's either based on section 179B of the regulations or 216. Section 216.1 has several subsections, and they discuss when an officer may issue a study permit. The section says, subject to subsections 2 and 3, an officer shall issue a study permit to a foreign national if, following an examination, it is established that the foreign national A, applied for it in accordance with this part, B, will leave Canada by the end of the period authorized for their stay under Division 2 of Part 9. C, meets the requirements of this part. D, meets the requirements of subsections 30, subsection 2 and 3, if they must submit to a medical exam under paragraph 16(2)(b) of the Act. And E, has been accepted to undertake a program of study at a designated learning institution. So there's two really important parts to section 216 of the IRPR. One of those subsections is subsection B. Subsection B says that the foreign national will leave Canada by the end of the period authorized for their stay. Now, what that means is that an immigration officer cannot, literally by law, cannot issue a study permit. They cannot even approve the application if they believe that on the balance of probabilities, the applicant is not going to leave Canada at the time that they are required to leave. And this is one of the most important things about study permit applications, is to always remember study permits, these are part of temporary status. You must leave at some point. There's always an expiry date on the study permit, and you don't have to go home, but you can't stay here if you are not gone by that time.